Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid powder. This incredible ingredient is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air to your skin. It can hold an astonishing 1,000 times its weight in water, providing intense hydration. Using it topically helps to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling smoother and looking more radiant. It's a fantastic way to boost your skin's moisture levels and achieve a plumper, more youthful complexion. To create your own 1% hyaluronic acid serum, begin by combining 1 gram of hyaluronic acid powder with 95 grams of distilled water in a clean container. For an extra boost of moisture and a silkier feel, incorporate 3 grams of glycerin. It's crucial to let this mixture sit undisturbed for several hours, or even overnight, in the refrigerator. This allows the powder to fully hydrate and transform into a smooth, consistent gel, ready for use. For the best results, apply your freshly made hyaluronic acid serum to clean, damp skin. This helps the serum draw in and lock moisture onto your skin's surface. Gently pat a few drops onto your face, neck, and décolletage. Immediately follow up with your preferred moisturizer to create a barrier that seals in all that wonderful hydration. Regular application can significantly improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and supple. Proper storage is key to maintaining the efficacy of your homemade hyaluronic acid serum. Keep it in a cool, dark place, or ideally, in the refrigerator. If you choose not to include a broad-spectrum preservative, aim to use your serum within 1 to 2 weeks. However, incorporating a preservative can extend its shelf life significantly, up to 3 months. Remember to always use sanitized tools and containers during preparation and application to ensure your serum remains fresh and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.